You plug in USB-C and nothing happens on your monitor? Here's the catch. Not every USB-C port can send video. Yeah, it charges, it transfers files, but your display? No signal. That's regular USB-C. It handles power delivery and data transfer. USB 2.0, 3.2, even USB 4. All possible. But video support is not part of the default setup. It depends on how the port is wired internally, not how it looks. Now, enter USB-C Alt Mode. This one can carry DisplayPort or HDMI signals. So next time your monitor doesn't connect, don't blame the cable. Check the port.